Alright, hello, and today I'm making a video on the earbuds. Currently I'm at a different building waiting to go to school, and currently the power is out, so it's really dark. So I'm gonna be making an unboxing video with the power out. Alright, so these are the Vibes Air True Wireless Earphones. This the Vibe 12 hours playtime, Google Assistant, and Siri enabled.
What?
Alright. Yeah, I know, but I don't need that.
Lazy.
So these are a lineup of 12 like $6 earbuds at Roses. If you ever heard of Roses, it's a store and they sell them just like a grocery store. You can't get these open. Guess I'll just have to rip the box open then. Oh no, fingertip for that. Alright, you get your instruction manual, a charger, you get your case, alright, and then there's also some earbud tips. I'm gonna see if these fit. They fit very nicely. So I'm going to put them in the case to charge. And then I'm gonna go throw the trash away. Kind of sucks though, 'cause I have to use the phone flashlight for this video, but that's fine. Alright. I don't see any lights or buttons on the case. So hopefully they're charging. I'm not sure. I'm going to go throw the trash away real quick, and maybe I have to charge the earbuds. Alright.
Alright, you guys good?
Yeah.
If the power's out, why is that red light over so on? Emergency.
Emergency lights have batteries in them.
Yeah, they gotta have it.
Alright, so thanks for watching.